What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We actually got a couple of things today, and I got a new valve cover, so I mean we're gonna test that out, see how that looks, and we'll go from there, guys. Let me show you what came in the mail first real quick, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So we got some new stickers for the car. We got my Instagram and we got my YouTube on it. So my plan is, well, after I clean the car, my plan is to put on something like that. But I don't know, man, I'm still deciding on it. Let me know what you guys think, and then whatever you guys decide, or you think that's good enough, leave it down in the comments, and then we'll go on from there. But yeah, guys, coming over here to Whitney, you guys already know my valve cover is black. It's really dirty. It has like some brown gasket maker on it. That was from when I was swapping the car. I was putting gasket maker on the intake manifold side, and I got it all around. So I mean, I'm gonna take that off. I'm probably gonna paint it a different color. I don't know yet. I might not even put it back on, so I don't know. We'll have to wait and see and decide when the time comes. But that doesn't really match the accessories that I'm gonna get for it. So yeah, that has to come off. And this is going on. Look at that, man. Like that ice, man. It just reflects so nicely, dude. I like it. The only thing is that I did kind of fuck up right here, and there's a run. But I mean, there's no going back. I like it a lot. I don't know what it's gonna look, but that's why we're trying it out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna take the plugs out, swap the gaskets over to this one, and then we'll continue from there, man. But yeah, I have my Milwaukee, my 10 mil, everything ready to go, so let's get started. I have the valve cover right there, guys. The gasket actually stayed on that, which is perfect. I don't really mind it. I could just slap this on. The only thing I do need to do is change the gaskets that go into the spark plug covers, because the ones that were on this one were clapped out. So not even gonna worry about those. I took those out already. Now you gotta swap these onto that one, and then the valve cover could go back on. So let me do that real quick, then I'll set you guys back on the hyperlapse, and then we'll finish it off. So I just finished putting on the valve cover, guys, and let me tell you guys, I need some MPC hardware like yesterday. I mean, the valve cover looks great. I need some new wires as too, because these wires are kind of fucked. But I do need MPC hardware for sure. Like, there's no way about it. Like, I need it like now. I'll probably end up ordering that like in a couple of weeks or so. But dude, oh, let me show you this fucking ice, bro. Yeah, we'll start from here, guys, because you're not ready for this ice yet. Clean engine bay, ugly as intake, straight to the ice. Look at that shine, man. Oh, so glossy. I love it. I do need some MPC hardware. I'm probably gonna get it if they don't sponsor me. But this intake is going. I need MPC hardware all around, because as of right now, it's kind of dull. That's really dull. I mean, these are nice, but MPC hardware, as far as I've seen, it pops out a lot more. The color pops out a lot more. They just look better. I don't know, I just like them more than these. These are a little bit too dull for me. So I mean, hopefully soon I'll get some. But dude, I love this valve cover. Oh my gosh. I do need to get this cap though, just to cover this up. Hopefully MPC has something to cover it up, but if not, we'll see what we can do. But yeah, dudes, stay up to date, dudes, because I have really good videos coming up. I have my first appointment for a legit photo shoot for this car, so please like and subscribe, man. Like, oh man, I can't wait for that to come up. But yeah, dudes, in that note, we're gonna leave the video here. As always, guys, just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.